Turn Up is an annual entertainment event organized by Enterprise Insurance to refresh their employees after a whole year working stress. It was balled up with a lot of fun and energy. The workers were divided into 4 groups, which are Royals, Avengers, Black Panther and Gladiators, to entertain themselves. They also perform exclusively in their exquisite costumes to entertain, inform and educate those around.
Hello.
Hello.
Hope you are doing great tonight.
I'm doing very well by God's grace.
Okay, so what is the name of your group?
Okay, so I'm from the Royals. The Royals. Okay, so our story was the name is Royals. So we decided to take both sides. So the Ghanaian Royal and then the British Royal. And since we are already still after the year of return, we decided to tell a story with that. So we are supposed to tell our culture to the whites who are returned to their motherland. If you look at the other groups, they all have to do with superheroes. But ours is of a difference. Ours is the Royals. There's nothing superhero about us. And for Royals, we are here for life and we reign forever. So there's no two ways about it. We are going to win hands down. We are going to take the crown, just like you see it on me.
My group is Avengers. Avengers is a story about defeating Thanos, who had a mission of destroying the world. So we linked this whole act to COVID-19 because this year it has come to distract a lot of activities, be it business, personal activities, and a lot of things. So Avengers is telling us to still be hopeful because Thanos' acts were defeated. Whatever he planned to do, we're able to convert him out of it to also help build the universe back. The other groups did equally well, but then we just came out to have fun. You know, when you're having fun with something, people also enjoy what you're doing. So we came out with a mindset of having fun, understanding the whole concept and imbibing it. So if you're fighting to rebuild something, have that in mind whilst you're acting it out. And also having fun with it and let others also enjoy what you're doing.
Black Panther. Okay, so Black Panther is an African group where we have different tribes. We have 4 tribes, and these 4 tribes is headed by 4 leaders with their followers. So we have the Merchants tribe, we have the River tribe, we have the Border tribe, and then we have the last tribe. I've forgotten the name anyway. And then we have the prince, we have the princess, and then we have the queen. So the chief died, and then as customs demand, the prince was supposed to inherit his father. But there was this other group who were against the prince inheriting his father. So usually what happens is that the chief priest will seek the consent of all the 4 tribes as to whether they have anybody to challenge the prince. And when you look at what we did, none of them said no, we will not present anybody today. And there was a final group headed by Bakuru who came saying that he wanted to challenge the prince. So they had a fight and then he lost. And Wakanda, that is the chief, so that is the whole story. Our performance was, I can't even explain it. We are there and the rest are here. The only group I can say was close to us was the Royals. So if we don't even make it to the second position, the Bawa Messiah Befa.
Every year we come together to entertain ourselves after a hard year's work. And so today we are around, we put ourselves into teams. So I belong to the Gladiators. Gladiators! Ahoo! 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 So we are here, we're going to sing, we're going to do karaoke, we're going to dance, we'll do musical chairs. We had a drama too, all to entertain ourselves and to, get a break from the target and the hustle and the stress. So that when we bounce back, we're all fresh and then, we will deliver. Okay, so every day we are on the field, we are fighting. When I say fighting, I don't mean literal fighting, but I mean, we are out there, we are getting businesses, we are, convincing people to buy insurance and convincing people to tell them the benefits of insurance. So gladiators, they were warriors, you understand? In the ancient Greek, they were warriors and they were fighters and they fight to win. And that's what Enterprise we do. We fight to win. We are the #1 insurance company in the country, and we have no intention of giving the #1 to someone else. So we are always fighting, and we know that we win always. Well, so if you watch the movie Gladiators, you realize that even in his death, the guy was a conqueror. In his death, he won. So we are here to win. The Gladiators, watch out for us tonight. We are winning.
To celebrate the return.
Nana Brebre.